Hi everybody, Anita here, and in this video I'll be doing unicorns. I have a white base and I will have all of the products listed in the description box for you. I'm speeding through this video for your watching pleasure. There's something weird going on with my lighting, so my video will be like a little bit yellowy and then clear. I apologize for that. I don't know what it is, but I just got some new light bulbs, so hopefully that will never happen again. I will be doing a smush for this mani. That's going to be the base, and as you see, I've put some color down here on the mat. I will have all of those colors listed for you in the description box. These colors were all on sale at my local Sally Beauty, so you may be able to find them at your Sally's if they're on sale as well. Great prices for some beautiful colors. I love the colors. And you see I'm using my XL Big Bling clear jelly stamper, and I just push down one time on that polish and that's it. You can of course go over it as many times as you want to get the effect that you want, but I like the color separations. I think it's pretty, and so that's what I chose to do. Now to adhere this to my nail, I'll be using just a thin layer of top coat. Now removing it from the mat is the same as the stamper, just be very careful. Wait until your decal, I call it a polish decal, is completely dry before you try to remove it from anything. I'm just applying that thin coat of top coat, and I will also put on a skin barrier on all the nails. And now I'm just going to put that little polish decal on my stamper and use that to put it onto the nail. It's a lot easier than trying to put it on with my fingers, I've found, because sometimes it won't go on smoothly or it will wrinkle. Once you put it on the stamper and then use that to put it on, it usually comes out really well. So that is a plus. That's something I've never done before, but I think that technique is, you're a lot more sure to have good placement if you do it that way and use the stamper, especially if you have a clear stamper. It just makes it a lot easier. What I'm doing now is just removing the excess polish from that decal and then cleaning up around the cuticle and using the brush with some nail polish remover just to kind of melt that decal a little bit and get it to stick under the nail so that it's nice and smooth. Once you have all your cleanup done, you're just going to continue on with all the rest of your nails, and then once you have them all done, you're going to do another cleanup. And then what I did was apply a sparkling topper. I love that topper. I use it a lot in a lot of my videos. If you've seen them with the sparkle, that's the Sally Hanson. I love that. It has no color in it. It's a clear coat with just sparkle. It's beautiful. I use it a lot. And of course, since this is a unicorn, it has to have sparkle. I mean, what's a unicorn without sparkle? I don't know. It would be the anti-unicorn. I can't even imagine what that would be like. Anyway, just pulling off the polish. And again, trimming around the nail. Just be careful not to cut yourself. And doing some cleanup. Now this collab is hosted by Mary and Chris. They are on Facebook, and it's YouTubers and Instagrammers collab. I believe that's what it's called. I will have that link for you down below, as well as a link for all of the ladies who participated in this collab. The YouTubers, their channels and links will be in the description box. If you have the time, please check them out. They are so incredible. They do really beautiful nail art. You will not be disappointed. You can subscribe to them. You know it's free, just as you can subscribe here if this is your first time. Hit the bell icon and that will notify you whenever I or these ladies upload a video. You will never be disappointed with the nail art that they produce. It's just amazing. I'm really happy to be a part of this collab. It's fun. The themes are different and just fun all the time, and they're really sweet, wonderful ladies. I love doing these collabs, and if you're a nail artist, please feel free to join in. Go to Facebook, check them out on Instagram. Everybody's links will be in the description below, and everybody's Instagram information will be in the description below. Now once I have that topper on, I let everything dry completely. You see I have my vinyls here. My unicorn plate hadn't arrived by the time I filmed this, so, and I'm a week late posting. This actually posted on Instagram on Monday. It was Unicorn Day, and so here I am, Saturday. It's still Unicorn Day, because any day you make unicorns is Unicorn Day. So I'm sorry I'm a little late posting, but I had already posted for last week. So now it's Unicorn Day all over again. And what I'm doing here is just using the same vinyl, and you see me pressing just around the outline of it. I clean off those tweezers after I use them to push down that vinyl, and I just go over it with nail polish and just carefully lift it. These vinyls are very good. I don't remember if I got them from Twinkled T or if I got them from What's Up Nails. I'll have to research that a little bit and then put that in the description box as well. But they are really beautiful, detailed vinyls. You can use them over and get a great result. Now, just like I did with the polished decal, I just lift carefully the image off of the silicone mat, and I place it on my stamper, and then I use that to position it on my nail, so I get that image just where I want it. That is like such a great thing. Once you have all of your decals on, you're just going to give it another generous coat of top coat. I'm using a glossy top coat, but I also have pictures at the end with a matte top coat. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not hesitate to check out the ladies. As I said, again, you are free to subscribe. Doesn't cost you a thing. Just hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for notification when I upload my videos. And again, that's once a week, always on the weekend. The pictures won't be upside down. There you go. And at the very end, I'll have the collaboration picture. I thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a great weekend. Take care, and I'll see you next time.